So today I'm going to be testing out two different vacuum cleaners and comparing them to each other. They are both completely cordless. This one has a little bit bigger canister than this one over here, but they both empty here at the bottom. Also detach both of the canisters to be able to clean them easier. They both do have HEPA filters in them, and then they both have swivel heads. So those are the things that are definitely alike, but they both are supposed to be anti-tangle heads and supposed to swivel really nice and be super powerful. Starting with this vacuum, I'm going to turn it on so you can see how loud it is. This is the lowest setting. 2 and 3. You can see the vortex it creates inside here. This is your low. 2 and 3. Sound about the same. You can see this one's got a digital screen. It shows you how much battery you have left. This one is not digital at all. You're just turning it on and you can see it glow here. To take off the canister itself, this one you do have to push the button on the side and it pops right off, and then putting it back on. There you can see the HEPA filter. Very simple to put it back on. On the side here, it gives you a lock and unlock position. You have to twist this and pull it off to get it off. There's the HEPA filter. Again, they're both really simple to take apart and clean and empty. So I'm starting with this Trigeo vacuum cleaner. Now, I do have a couple really big dogs and they shed quite a bit. And this vacuum really swivels nice and has no trouble picking up the hair. Now you can see it's got a nice bright LED light here in the front, and it just pulls and sucks that fur right up. Now, on a full charge, this will last about 45 minutes. There's something just so rewarding about watching all that hair just getting pulled into the vacuum cleaner. You can see everything is nice and easy to move around. Just overall, I think it did a great job. I would definitely recommend this vacuum cleaner. Now, this is the higher price one. Let's see how much hair it pulled. As you can see here, it did pick up quite a bit of hair. Now with just a click of a button, you can open that bottom door here and let everything out, but you can just see, look at all the dirt that it picked up. Okay, I'm going to show you how much power this vacuum has. I love the green light here so you can see exactly what you are picking up. A bunch of hair here. No problem sucking that up. You can see all the hair under the table here. I'm going to kick it on, lowest speed. I mean, that's why I love the green light, because you can really see everything that it's picking up. You can see how nicely this is sucking up, and that's only on the first speed. I'm going to kick it up, even though I don't need to. So again, you can see then we're going to look and see if any hair got caught in the head of it at all. Love the swivel head, very easy to move. I'm going to kick it up to the highest. Look at it, just suck all that hair. And you can see exactly where you're going. So I want to show you it stands up completely by itself. It's a big canister here with the max here. You can see all of the hair that's inside. So we're going to empty this. It has a tiny bit of hair on the head, but considering how much I just picked up, that is really, really minimal. I'm going to push the button and drop it down. Wow. Look at all the dust it picked up also. And with having that HEPA filter to help keep the air clean, that is perfect. That is a lot of hair, a lot of dirt, a lot of dander. That works really, really well. So you can see they both work really, really well. They do have different price points, so if that's a factor for you, but you can definitely not go wrong if you were to grab either one of these vacuum cleaners. I'm very impressed, especially with the amount of hair and dander and dirt that I have in our home here. If you are checking either one of these out, I definitely recommend.